Jesus Christi. This fucking guy must have been sleeping under here. Look at this. And he picked the right partsman. Actually delivered the part the next day. He said it was coming in the next day, and the part actually came in the next day.
They didn't actually call me, though, like they said they were going to. I had to call them. Oh, yeah, it's here on the shelf. What the fuck are you waiting for?
I don't care what the internet says about you, buddy. You're all right.
Hey, man. Guy needs a summer ride, like, you know? Got to pick up chicks somehow.
It's putting in the U-joint now, the next weakest link in the chain. Now that we got a clutch what doesn't slip, he'll be under here changing out the U-joint in no time at all.
Didn't help that the cap came off, all the splines came off, and then I was missing one roller bearing in there and stuck it in anyway. Just because, you know.
We filled the gap with a penny. It was hard to find. They don't make those anymore. And a Sobeys bag. Turns out these Ford handshake transmissions take the automatic transmission fluid. Who knew? Except the guy previous to us, of course.
It's maiden voyage time.
It is time for the dew cloth to sing you the song of his people. Ford steering pump wine.
I know, eh? Everybody just loves the sound of that.
The glory.
Okay.
Okay, let me get out of the bite.
Goes into gear, okay?
Woo! Single tire fire. Oh!
Yeah, I meant to do that. I totally meant to do that.
Just trying not to let the folks at home feel bad about not being able to drive it. Ford handshaker
With
transmission.
my new feet.
It's those sandals. To the lick bow. I gotta get you your 6-pack of beer. Another job well done. Thanks, buddy.
The premium stuff this time, though. None of that fucking.
God.
None of that extra old stock.
No, I'll
Old
get
man
you the
beer.
Pap Smear Red Ribbon.
All right. How about these?